Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. You are doing best in your life. Today in this video, I want to share a miracle story of one word. And there is a promise in one word. If we recite this word, Allah will open the door of mercy. Allah will give wealth, health, money, children, everything which we want in our life. Everything. And Allah's promise are true. And whatever we ask, Allah will give us. A man says, I used to meet different businessmen and different people for work. And that man says, this incident, this story belongs to a person who live in Saudi Arab. And that is a businessman, and that businessman is very rich. A person says, one day when I was in his house, I asked that, you are so rich, you have so much wealth, and your empire is so big. I want to ask you that, how did you build this empire? That businessman smiled and said, this all happened because of Allah. Allah has granted me everything. That man said, I was surprised to listen. Whenever I ask this question to anyone, everyone says that we have efforted a lot. We did so much work, or we did so much efforts. That's why we built a big empire. So that man says, I was so surprised to see. I asked again that, please explain me in detail that how did you do all these things? That businessman said, I want to tell you, that businessman said, before few years, I was suffering a lot. Financially, I was not good. I did not have job or business. In that period, me and my wife were in depression, were in tension. One day when I went to mosque to perform Friday Salah, there was a Imam Sahab who was giving lecture on a spiritual thing. And then that Imam Sahab told the benefits of Istighfar. And that Imam Sahab told about Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, that how did he call his ummah to recite Istighfar, to do Istighfar, and how Allah promised about a person who does Istighfar, and Allah will shower blessings, Allah will give wealth, Allah will give children. So I listened the benefits of Istighfar first time. That businessman said, before that, I don't know about these benefits. I just know one thing, that if a person does istighfar, his sins will be forgiven. That businessman said, I listened that spiritual lecture in mosque, and I kept listening. And after listening all the benefits of istighfar, I started reciting istighfar with bottom of my heart. I kept saying astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah whole day. Even I recited in abundantly that my wife considered me, I am not fine. I have become crazy, or my mental state is not good. But I did not think about anything, and I kept saying astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah with my whole task, all work in my day, in my night. After a few months, I realized, and my wife also realized, that our financial condition and our home condition is getting better day by day. When I saw these changes in our life, I started astaghfirullah more and more. Now, that days, I kept doing istighfar with focus, with concentration, with belief. And one day, what happened? Somebody knocked at our door. When I went out to see who was there was a man who had an envelope. That envelope he was giving to me. I asked that, what is this and who has sent this? But that man said, I don't know anything. I was given just envelope, and I said that I have to drop it on that address, and that's why I'm going to give you. That man went away. When I came back home, when I came in the home, I just opened it, and I was surprised to see that there was currency of dirham, there was currency of Saudi Arabia, and there was almost 1 lakh dirham in that envelope. Me and my wife were surprised. We didn't know who sent it, but I was happy, and I was sure that this was sent by Allah. Allah has sent us, and we were receiving unseen help, and it's just because of recitation of istighfar, because this is the promise of Allah. Allah will give you money, Allah will give you wealth, Allah will give you everything in abundance if you do istighfar with belief. Me and my wife were very happy. We showed gratitude, and after that, I paid off my loan with that money. And what money was remaining with me, I started a business. And when I started a business, I kept saying Astaghfirullah whole day while my work, while doing work. And after a year, and after 2 and 3 years, we took so much profit. Our business grew well, and now alhamdulillah, you can see I am running that empire. It's just because of recitation of istighfar. It's just because of recitation of istighfar. It's just because of Allah's blessing. Now whatever you are seeing here, it is Allah's blessing. Allah has given me. That's why I'm saying that whatever I am doing, whatever I am right now, it's just Allah's blessing. It's just because of Allah's wish. That man said, I was surprised to listen this, and I asked one more thing, that do you do istighfar today or you have stopped it? That businessman said, I still do istighfar and I keep doing istighfar with my all task, with my all work, while doing business, while sitting home, while working, or while doing nothing. But still, I do istighfar abundantly because I know that whatever Allah has given me is just because of istighfar. So how can I stop it? And Allah has given me so much wealth. I am billionaire, and my seven generation will eat and it will not end. Allah has given me so much wealth and so much blessings. Alhamdulillah. So this is the motivational story for all of us. We all are suffering from wealth, from health, and from other issues in our life. So why don't we do istighfar? If we do istighfar with belief, if we do istighfar with focus and concentration, Allah will shower His blessing upon us too. And Allah's blessings are uncountable. If we do with belief, we will get uncountable blessings, inshallah ta'ala. So start doing istighfar from today. Inshallah, your all desires, your all wishes, all needs will be fulfilled, and Allah will grant you everything. May Allah bless us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.